Welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, we'll learn how to create a simple Windows Forms application using PowerShell. We'll be utilizing the System.Windows.Forms assembly to create a graphical user interface. Let's jump right in. Here, we use the command add type assembly name System.Windows.Forms. This tells PowerShell to include the necessary libraries for working with Windows Forms. Next, we'll create a new form. This serves as the window for our application. In this line, we create a new form object using new object System.Windows.Forms form. Now we have our window ready. Finally, we need to show the form on the screen. The command show dialog makes our form visible and interactive. It will stay open until we close it. Let's review the complete code snippet one more time. Now, let's execute the code in PowerShell. You should see a simple window pop up on your screen. And that's it. You've successfully created a basic Windows Forms application using PowerShell. You can customize this form with buttons, text boxes, and more as you explore further. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Happy coding!